I will be including in my portfolio are web projects. The first one is a 5-page promotional website I built called El Taco Riendo. I created it using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'm in the process of changing the website from just a static site to responsive. So I'm going to show you part of the site that's not under construction right now and has not been upgraded to responsive. This is the menu page that was created using XML. A design critique that I received during this course when I shared this project was to change this background color, this tealish blue, to a different color that would make the menu more readable. And then I have to change this because it's driving me nuts. This navigation needs some adjustments, but it does include a JavaScript drop-down menu. This cocktail page brings us to the same page as the bar up here. And then this includes a Lightbox image gallery, which I like because it gives you a little description down here. And then you can flip through each of the images. What else do we have? Oh yeah, and then there's this order online page. Each one of these can be clicked on to view the description. I do need to change this. It's driving me nuts. It's stuck over to the left and needs to be brought in the middle. I'm aware. I just haven't got there yet. The next web project I have is Flex. This is what I shared this in the discussion last week. It's a responsive web page, website, I guess, that I made in a mobile design class. And it goes through the context, principles, development, and multimedia. Basically, I used what I was learning during the course and then I put it in each one of these pages, and as you can see, it's responsive and does what it's supposed to do. I do have some adjustments that I need to make to the navigation and to the font as well. I received some good feedback last week that I will be incorporating before it's actually included in my completed, polished portfolio. Something else that I want to show is this photography page that I've created so far for my portfolio and that I will probably keep. Photography was the first thing that really opened my eyes to the design world and what I really love. So I have a lot to choose from. These are ones that I chose so far, but they are subject to change. What I really love here is that you can see development and relationship with clients. So here I took maternity session, and then here is some newborn shots from that same family. I can do the same thing here as well as with this child. And then there's some food. This is some octopus that I had in Chicago. That was delish. Chicago has delicious food. Anyway, what else I want to show you is a motion project. I hope to add different projects and more to this page in the future. I just don't have any work to display here, but this was a public service announcement that I created in about April or May of 2020 before things got like super weird. And then this was like the original sketch that shows exactly where I wanted each letter to come in from, which I thought was kind of neat to include. And then lastly, I have some print images that I would like to include in my portfolio. The reason why I like to include these are they're all representative of the design styles that I like. For instance, this first one mimics Suprematism, this one mimics Bauhaus, and then this one mimics Swiss or the international typographic style. All of those are very big influences to me and my design style, so I want to keep that here in my portfolio. But I look forward to seeing what you guys have to say, especially with these web projects here, just because I guess a lot this one too, because I have a lot of work to do here. But I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you.